Hi, yet another video where I'm going to show you why you must always check your catalyst converter. The symptoms are check engine light on, sluggish engine performance, no power at all, reduced acceleration, and engine misfire. To remove the catalyst, unscrew the oxygen sensor with a 22 mm oxygen sensor socket. Remove the catalyst converter plate and proceed to remove the catalyst itself. This is how I remove the shot exhaust pipe underneath. Unscrew the 14 mm bolts. Moment of truth. This is why your car is not performing the way it should. All these things mentioned are caused by this little man. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.